Hey everyone, Ed Kiefer again, bringing you another Luxe highlight. Someone pointed out I forgot to do a video of the interior of our front living floor plan. Well, I'm so sorry. This is it. This is our front living floor plan. It's a Luxe Elite luxury fifth wheel. We're going to walk in. These are the very stable Lippert steps. They have a very nice large footprint on the top step there. So as you're going in and out of the coach, you got a nice foundation to step on. So here we are. This is inside the front living. Spacious kitchen. One thing about this unit is you're going to have a very tall kitchen, bedroom, rear bathroom. This has a full bath and a half bath. So one of the largest islands out of any of our floor plans. Lots of space for those of you who love and enjoy cooking. This dinette actually pulls out to seat 4 people. We're going to go back here first. This is where the half bath is. Lots of nice space for this area. Right in the hallway here is washer area for a washer and dryer. This is an option. And we've also put a nice huge cabinet right next to that washer and dryer. Space up above. You go in here, all of our units have a king size bed. This has opposing slides. The bed area is a slide and also a huge wardrobe area. Lots of storage. TV up there, ceiling fan. This is your bathroom area. Just a really nice, beautiful bathroom. And the head space is amazing. You're gonna get an 8'6" head space. Lots of cabinetry. Big space right here. We can fit it with a rod there for your clothes to hang. More cabinetry over here. Pointing out again that we have maple hardwood cabinetry. Not just the faces, but everything that you see is maple hardwood. Even our trim is maple hardwood. And again, to point out our drawers all the way around, the back, the sides, dovetails, underglides to get that maximum width and the soft close. LG appliances. You can option to get your own appliances. Long as they fit within the floor plan, we can accommodate. This is the front living area. Really nice private space to enjoy television, conversations. You can even, these are jackknife sofas here, so you can have some sleeping area up here. Beautiful theater seating. So here it is, the front living floor plan. This is a 44 FL, so your length is right around 44, a little bit over. Very nice residential, built for the full-timer. So hey, give us a call, let us know what you think. Come out and visit us. This is our last day at the meet and greet, so it's day 5. We'll be here all day up until 6 p.m. So come visit us. If you're in the area at the Hershey show, come visit us. Jump on our website for the directions. We are right at the Brittany's Hope Foundation. That's a nonprofit organization. If you Google Brittany's Hope in Elizabethtown, Pennsylvania, you will find us. And you'll be greeted by our front living floor plan. right here, right when you drive in, you'll see Luxe and be able to park. And there's a long drive to our other 3 units. We've got a toy hauler here, 48 FB. We also have a Luxe Gold and another Luxe Elite back there, which is the 42 MD. So hey, come and visit 844-284-6678 or get us on the web at luxefifthwheel.com.